Yes, family, we're here at the W.E.B. Dubois Memorial Center for Pan-African Culture in Ghana. And this has been a very historical reconnection for us. Now, similar to the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. And this is not as dynamic, and but it is just as incredible. The history, the culture, the works of Du Bois is here at this museum that we're looking at directly. And out front you see is a bust of Du Bois. Get you a nice little zoom on it. And over to the right, that's Du Bois Memorial, where his grave is. And to the back, we're gonna have the Marcus Garvey Center, which is a guest house, and you also have the African Diaspora Forum, which is a reconnection point. Now, family, this is an incredible compound with a lot of history and a lot of information. So any of us are looking to reconnect, looking to do anything, this is a good point of connecting. Yes, this is where Du Bois lived, in this house that's now a museum, and he's buried right there at his memorial. So the tour usually starts with the history in the museum, and yeah, and Du Bois did a lot of his work in his later years, but all of it was dedicated to the work of Pan-Africanism. And family, we're going to get a nice introduction, a nice history, and the man himself. We have Irvin Perry here. He's excited. He's ready to learn some more Pan-African history. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I'm back for my second time. This year was the last year. I had such a great time, and I learned so much. I had to do it one more time, and I'm having a great time meeting all these wonderful African people here. There's so many from South America area, some from Seattle. I'm from Alabama myself, and I want to wish you all a great day. And if you get a chance to come to Ghana, don't put it off. See Bomani.
Yes, family, appreciate the energy. We'll get them reconnected. And this is our group squad. We are 38 strong. As you can see, family, you see people everywhere. So I'm not telling you there's 38 of us, I'm showing you there's 38 of us. Let's just see. Perfect, righteous. Let's get. We want to get a nice shot of the shirt.
You got your picture too, Bomani? All right, good.
A little Bomani here. Got his tablet. You think he?
Come on, do it. Hit the button. Yeah, that's good.
Yes, Mr. Bomani. You're getting your documentation on, and little Bomani is here at the Du Bois Center for the second time, right, Bomani? Yeah. So yeah, I was here in 2012. When I was just 2 years old, right? Do you remember seeing all this thing?
Yeah.
What do you remember about it? You don't know? Alright, family, so that is our group, and we are here at the Du Bois Memorial Center for Pan-African Culture here in Ghana. And give you a view from this nice sign, and that's our luxury bus right there waiting to take us back to the hotel so we get our Repatriation Investment Conference on.
Hey,
yes,
Bomani.
Carmela. Yes, say hello to the people. That's what's up.
Hey, everybody. Out here in Ghana. Loving every minute of it. Beautiful place, beautiful place. You must visit.
We're trying to get we're trying to get part of your shirt. It said black girl, black hair, and we're trying to see the bottom of the shirt. Bam!
Let me get you right.
I love it.
Black hair.
The natural elements.
That's right. Or
So
organic.
So family, the reconnection is going down. So yes, family, once again, join us on any of our Journey of a Lifetime, and we will give you an incredible reconnection to the African continent in this incredible country called Ghana.
I want to take a picture from there. Sitting on that thing.